How to make keto golden chicken and rice skillet. The ingredients: 400 gram cauliflower, riced, 1 medium zucchini, diced, 1/4 cup avocado oil, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon onion powder, ½ teaspoon garlic powder, ½ teaspoon black pepper, 500 gram ground chicken, 3 ounce fresh cilantro. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. Cut the cauliflower into florets and then put it in a food processor until it is the size and consistency of rice. 3. Dice the zucchini. 4. In a frying pan over medium heat, add avocado oil, turmeric powder, cumin powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. Stir this all together for about 30 seconds. 5. Add in the ground chicken and let it cook for 6 to 8 minutes or until the internal temp reaches 165 F. 6. Stir in the diced zucchini and let it cook for 5 minutes. 7. Add in the riced cauliflower. Stir to combine. Let it sit covered on medium heat for 5 to 8 minutes. 8. Garnish with chopped cilantro. Serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of keto golden chicken and rice skillet. Each serving comes out to be 350 calories, 24.9 grams fat, 5 grams net carbs, and 25.2 grams protein. If you want to get a custom keto diet made up for you, click on the link in the description for more recipes.